Yeah. I burped. Excuse me.
You're excused. What did you say? What do you want?
And some cornbread. Take a picture of me. Hurry.
Okay.
And some corn. And some cornbread.
You're so.
Want some cornbread?
Oh my gosh. All right.
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet? You have something else to say?
And some cornbread. You have to take a picture of me when I say cornbread.
I am taking a picture of you. It's videotaping right now.
And some cornbread.